If you're entering the real estate industry, it can be exciting, but it could also be challenging. One of the most important decisions you're going to make in your career is choosing the right real estate team to join. A supportive and successful team can provide mentorship, resources, and opportunities necessary for you to thrive. So today I'm going to guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting the best real estate team for your career. The first thing you're going to want to do is research the team's reputation in the market. How well known is a team in your target market? You'll want to look into client reviews and testimonials. What do their clients say about the experience they've had with the team? Consider awards and recognition. Has a team received any industry awards or accolades? Why is this important? A team with a strong reputation and proven track record will likely provide a more stable and supportive environment. More importantly, and this happens all the time on my team, when you have a client and you're in a multiple offer situation, which means your buyer is one of several people who've offered on a property, forget about the reputation that we have with clients. Our reputation among agents is going to put your client in a better situation to win in multiple offers. What we always say is the tie goes to the Ben Lalez team. And I don't know if you could put a dollar value on just how important that is for you as the agent and for your client. Second, you want to consider the team's culture and values. This should align with your personal and professional ethos. You'll want to consider the work environment. Is it collaborative or competitive? Do they foster a supportive atmosphere? Do their mission and values align with yours? How does the team approach work-life balance? A positive and supportive culture can greatly enhance your job satisfaction and productivity. You'll also want to assess training and development opportunities. Take it from me, continuous learning is crucial in real estate. Look for teams that offer training programs. Do they regularly provide training sessions and workshops? Is there a mentorship program where experienced agents guide new ones? Are there opportunities for attending industry conferences and obtaining certifications? A team that invests in your development will help you stay ahead in a tremendously competitive market. For example, in our team, every new agent, if they have less than a year's experience, will always be paired with a senior agent. And that person is responsible for making sure that you are being held accountable to your own goals and to the team's goals for you. And if you're just starting out in your real estate career, accountability is everything, because you may be the most diligent person in the world, but having someone behind you steering you and pointing you in the right direction, trust me, can make all the difference. You'll also need to examine the team's support system. Now, support can come in many forms and is vital for your success. So does the team provide administrative assistance to handle paperwork and scheduling? Or do they offer marketing support and resources like professional photography, social media management, or advertising? Are they using the latest and greatest real estate technology like CRM systems? A robust support system allows you to focus more on client relationships and sales. And then, of course, you're going to want to examine commission splits and the financial benefits very carefully. Financial arrangements vary widely between teams. Factors to consider include, obviously, commission splits. What percentage of each sale will you keep, and how does that compare with other teams? Are there any bonuses or incentives for meeting certain targets? And what expenses will you be responsible for, and what does the team cover? It's really important that the financial terms are favorable for you and transparent. So I've obviously run teams and I've also been on teams, and I cannot tell you with more certainty that every single team's value proposition is going to be different. If all you care about is split and how much money you keep on every deal, there's going to be someone out there for you. If what you're interested in is getting opportunity and leads and maybe some mentorship, there's going to be someone on this end of the spectrum that is going to be able to provide to you what you want. Now, the hardest part about all of this is really understanding what you want. Everybody in this industry wants to make money, but there are many different paths to get there. What I tell people who join my team is we are not the most competitive on split, but you are going to jump ahead 4 years in your career in just one, and you'll know more than your counterparts almost immediately. Why? Because we're able to give people a lot of reps via the opportunity that we hand to them, and the proximity to agents who've already done what you are trying to do is invaluable.